In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and let me show you how to activate touch sounds on the following device. So as you can hear currently, it is muted, so you cannot hear any tap of mine. But if you'd like to change it, if you would like to hear each of your click, just open the sound and vibration tab. Now go a bit lower and select system sound and vibration control. Now reach touch interactions, so it's at the top of the list, and from now on you can hear each of your tap. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.